Doon ka na sa daanan, babaliwalain ka na lang. Tatapak-tapakan ka na lang. Masarap ba yun? Hindi. Wala kang silbi. Hindi yun yung pagkatawag sa atin ng Panginoon. Ang pagkatawag niya sa atin ay maging asin. At bilang asin, tayo ay maalat.
Sinong maalat?
Kingdom citizens are called to preserve morality and prevent moral decay in society. As followers of Christ, we are called to stand firm in the beliefs of and values, even if they go against the tide of culture. So that's why sabi ko kanina, we should not conform to the pattern of this world. We should be used as a preserver of truth. We should be used as a preserver of morality. We should be used as to prevent yung moral decay in the society, to bring a seasoning culture, to bring a salty culture, to bring a kingdom culture here on earth. So it's the culture that we're establishing. It's the culture of the kingdom. Yung nais ng Panginoon na ma-establish that when you are functioning